friends, welcome to Circuit Info YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn 555 Timer IC construction and pin out. Please like and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon to get new video updates. Let's get started.
Introduction to IC 555. The IC 555, also known as a timer IC, is a versatile and widely used integrated circuit. It plays a crucial role in various electronic applications, from simple time delay circuits to complex oscillators. History and development. The history of IC 555 dates back to the early 1970s when Hans R. Kamen-Zinn designed and introduced this groundbreaking IC. Its development marked a significant advancement in integrated circuit technology. The brilliant engineer behind the creation of IC 555. Functional overview. The IC 555 operates as an oscillator or a timer, offering the functionality of precise time and frequency generation. Its internal circuitry consists of comparators, voltage divider, and a flip-flop. 1. Oscillator function. How IC 555 operates as an oscillator. 2. Timer operations. The mechanism for precise time measurements. Pin configuration. Pin 1, ground. Pin 2, trigger. Pin 3, output pin. 4, reset pin. 5, control pin. 6, threshold pin. 7, discharge pin. 8, VCC operating modes. IC 555 has 3 main operating modes: astable, monostable, and bistable. Each mode offers unique characteristics, which make the IC suitable for various applications. 1. Astable mode, continuous oscillation with precise frequency output. 2. Monostable mode, generates a single pulse of a specified duration. 3. Bistable mode, toggle action between 2 output states. Applications. The applications of IC 555 span across a range of fields including timing circuits, pulse generators, LED flashers, tone generation, and voltage-controlled oscillators. Timing circuits, applications involving precise timing and delays. Pulse generators, used to generate precise pulses and waveforms. LED flashers, creating flashing LED patterns for various purposes. Advantages and limitations. IC 555 offers advantages such as ease of use, cost-effectiveness, and wide operating voltage range. However, it has limitations related to frequency stability, power consumption, and temperature dependency. Conclusion. In conclusion, IC 555 remains a fundamental building block in electronics design. Its enduring popularity is a testament to its versatility, reliability, and enduring utility across a broad spectrum of applications. Versatile, adaptability to multiple functionalities, reliability, consistent performance and operational stability, utility, broad applicability in diverse electronic designs.